Welcome to SWP Drive Digest, the channel where automotive passion meets the finest engineering and design on the planet. If you're into raw power, head-turning aesthetics, and elite craftsmanship, you're in the right place. Today, we dive into a machine that redefines exclusivity, elegance, and aggression. This is the Mansory Ferrari 812, a bold reimagining of Ferrari's front-engined V12 flagship. At its core, the Mansory 812 is based on the Ferrari 812 Superfast, which by itself is already a ferocious machine. Underneath the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, pumping out an astonishing 789 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque in its original Ferrari form. But Mansory isn't known for leaving things untouched. The tuning house pushes the limits even further, extracting more performance and a more visceral experience from this Italian beast. Mansory's upgraded version gets a boost, taking the power output well beyond 800 horsepower. This results in a top speed north of 340 km per hour and a 0 to 100 km per hour sprint in around 2.8 seconds. Numbers like these don't just look good on paper, they translate to a spine-tingling experience on the road or track. The sound of that V12, enhanced by Mansory's custom exhaust system, roars like a symphony of power, echoing through tunnels and across open highways with goosebump-inducing aggression. But what truly sets the Mansory Ferrari 812 apart is its unmistakable visual identity. Mansory is not subtle. The body has been entirely reworked with lightweight carbon fiber components, including a new front splitter, wider fenders, redesigned side skirts, and an aggressive rear diffuser. Every element is not just aesthetic, it's functional, improving aerodynamics and cooling. The hood features aggressive air intakes, while the widened body gives the car a muscular, race-ready stance. Large air outlets and carbon fins direct airflow with surgical precision. The signature Mansory forged wheels, often in contrasting colors, complete the look, paired with ultra-low profile tires and a lowered suspension setup that brings the car closer to the ground both literally and visually. Then there's the rear. The tail of the Mansory 812 is a masterclass in automotive art. A larger rear wing increases downforce, while the sculpted bumper and carbon rear diffuser make sure the air escapes in the most efficient way possible. Quad exhaust tips sit perfectly integrated into the design, screaming performance even when the car is standing still. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior of the Mansory 812 is where personalization takes center stage. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. You're met with custom seats that hug your body, embroidered Mansory logos, and a color scheme that can be tailored entirely to the client's taste. Whether it's red on black, white on carbon, or something totally unique, Mansory ensures no two interiors are the same. The steering wheel is re-sculpted for a more aggressive grip, and every button, switch, and dial is reworked with high-end finishes. Even the floor mats and seat belts can be customized to the owner's spec. It's luxury fused with motorsport DNA, all handcrafted to perfection. This isn't just a modified Ferrari. It's a rolling work of art. It's a declaration that you don't follow the crowd, you let it. Owning a Mansory 812 means you're in rare company. These are not mass-produced vehicles. Each one is commissioned, built to order, and represents the pinnacle of one-on-one automotive craftsmanship. It's also a statement about pushing limits, taking something already brilliant and asking, how can it be even better? Mansory has answered that question with a car that blends audacity with elegance, power with sophistication, and performance with personality. Whether you're a collector, a Ferrari purist willing to step outside tradition, or just an admirer of bold automotive design, the Mansory Ferrari 812 demands attention and respect. Thanks for watching SWP Drive Digest. If high-performance machines and custom automotive art excite you, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Until then, keep driving with passion.